In this video, I'll show you how to find saved Facebook posts. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, head over to your Facebook page, right, or your Facebook account. If you love to find your saved Facebook post, click on this, right? Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the activity log, right? Once this has opened up, you're gonna see a whole lot of things, right? You're gonna see this your Facebook activity, right? Your Facebook activity. Click on it, right? If you love to see your saved Facebook post, you're gonna see saved items and collections right here. Click on it. So you can see this saved items and collection. So you can see right now Emmanuel Jack saved his post, right? So you're gonna see all your saved Facebook posts from this option, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next